They may be namesakes, but their identities are worlds apart. What happens when you put three Davids under one roof? Well, it's a laugh riot. So here's presenting Griha Atul in conversation with Bijoy Nambiar and his band of boys.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the Winnie of them all?
Last couple of years, I was growing my hair. That's easy as that.
So original, we wanted to change the title to Vinay. We can show you pictures though. Listen, that's the biggest lie he's ever said. Can we mute the audio and block the video? You're gonna shoot me now. Kabhi kabhi kuch.
Galati.
All three of you have worked a great deal about the way you're looking in the film.
This is the look that we came up with, and I think it's pretty interesting. I'm a fisherman, I'm a drunkard, just be sweaty and have a bottle on me all the time.
And when you play the reckless musician and with the whole, long hair.
You know, once you have that look, then you just become a bit fearless and you stop kind of looking at the mirror every shot and you just go with it, you feel it.
He doesn't look in the mirror.
The mirror. Yeah.
I don't look in the mirror. Listen, that's the biggest lie he's ever said.
Yes.
Who's the man in the mirror?
I'm looking at the man in the mirror.
Actually, I can visualize Vinay doing mirror, mirror on the wall because that's the only thing I could get out of this joke.
Yeah, it starts from, that's where it starts.
You're close.
You're very close. You're very close. It starts there.
That's exactly where it
Then
starts.
he starts talking to
Mirror,
himself.
mirror on the wall.
This interview, we can only go uphill from here now.
Neil was very easy because I didn't have to do any lighting.
It was actually for budget. I mean, we use him as the light.
Yeah, he was
just
bouncing off everything. So,
Reflecting?
Yeah, reflecting.
I was the, normally they hold a thermocol to reflect light. He didn't need that for Monica and for all my other co-stars.
I can't speak Hindi, even now, just for a few galis. But which he did, and
Which which were they?
all those bad ones, and all the sign language galis by him in front of the mirror. So
Okay, other than three Davids, any particular roles that you guys wanted to swap with each other after you?
I would have loved to do Tabu's role, but
I would love to do Neil's role. After seeing him do it, it's just, I wouldn't even want to even step into his shoes because I think it's one of the strongest
you just stole
portrayals
my
of a
line. I was going to
gangster.
tell her that.
No,
You spoilt it for me now.
Oh, okay.
No, take it back.
Give him a mirror then.
She's still in the mirror. Now you know what's going to happen?
No, I kind of like my story.
Yeah. Whenever now she goes to the mirror and she says, "Oh no, Vinay, please."
Why are you not there in the Tamil version?
The lightman union is very strong. They say there'll be a lot of people out of work if Neil comes down.
If they get an actor down south who's like this bulb walking around a lot, a lot of films will not be. Yeah.
We'll pop a lot of bulbs.
Yeah.
Dick, I'm the musician, okay? Dick, yeah! Dick, David! Mirror, mirror on the wall, yeah! What's David, yeah! Hey, where's the mirror?
Raskala! Raskala! That's the only thing I know.
He'll say like Mr. Ashok Kumar.
Oh yeah, come on, yeah, you guys shut up.
Yeah, he actually. No, Bijoy, get back to the seat.
You can't make me do that every time. I'm not doing it. Wrap up, yeah.
Ashok Kumar style. Mr. Ashok Kumar style. Hey, please,
Come on.
Yeah, please, I want to see it.
Do it. He's
Come on.
amazing. He's amazing.
Yeah.
You'll forget the mirror, I promise you.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
David, देखिए, Feb 1st को.